In front of me, this is my brand new car, guys.
Came back with a click clack, and a ting, that's it, that's fresh like a tic tac. Any pagan ops that I rip down.
Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a new project and video. And as you can see from the title, yes, this is the reveal of my brand new vehicle. Now before we get into the video, I just want to say a big thank you to everybody that's following me on Instagram and everybody that's subscribed to the YouTube channel. We do want to hit 1,000 subscribers before July. Let's make that happen, guys. Let's go. Right, so there you have it, my brand new Mark II Focus ST 2.5 petrol 5-cylinder engine. What can you say? Yep, I've gone 2.5. Now I want to say a big thank you to everybody that commented. There was only one person, if I be honest, who actually guessed it right, and I did say I'll give him a shout out. So I want to say congratulations to Nabs for actually guessing the right car. He did say, I think you're getting a Mark II Focus ST. Here it is, finished off in the blue. I love the car. What an amazing car. It's a car that I've been looking at for some time now, and I've had mixed reviews of people, but you know what, I love it. I love the way it looks, and 5-door was the way forward for me. I don't personally like the 3-door, but it just looks brilliant. I think it fits perfectly, and it's in that blue, which I love. So yeah, there we have it. There is my brand new car. I hope you guys enjoy it, and there will be a lot of content on this car coming soon. Love the way it sounds. I bet you love the way it sounds as well. Like, let's get onto the vehicle. Obviously it's not perfect, it's got a few things that need doing, and every time I buy a vehicle I always get it serviced regardless of what the previous owner has said to me. So yeah, it's gonna go in for a full service. It's got a few bits that need doing to it. It's not perfect, but Project 10, and this is a project as well, so it should be fun. I want to reach out to anybody who's got a Focus ST who can help me out in mods or just advice. Feel free to comment down below, message me on Instagram as well. I'll be happy with your help. But yeah, that's the Focus ST. Obviously it's a car that I've been looking at for some time. I still have the Type R. I don't think, like I said before, that ain't going nowhere. But yeah, this is a new car, and hopefully will bring a lot more content to the channel that you guys will like. Right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap the video up. I hope you guys enjoyed the reveal of the new car. Thank you for being patient with me. You've obviously waited for this and it's took a bit of time, but yeah, thank you guys for being patient and being supportive. Now I want to say a big thank you to Nabs, who guessed the car correctly. Obviously there's a giveaway. He's been entered automatically into the giveaway. Now the giveaway, obviously, you know, I will be announcing when this video drops, which is today. So on Instagram I'll announce the winner, project and merch, and £100 cash. Now, you know, I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of July. let's make that happen. As soon as that happens, I'll do another giveaway, and yeah, there'll be more cash involved, which is excellent for anybody. So yeah, there is the Focus ST. Like I said to you before, if anybody can reach out to me and help me with this car, I'm new to the Ford scene, it'd be great, it'd be helpful, and I'd appreciate it. So don't forget to subscribe, share and like. Thank you for supporting me. Take care, stay safe, and I will see you guys soon.